Hello everyone, welcome back to our Saverr project tutorial. Okay, so may you kindly like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So in the previous video I was just doing the design layout of this employees form. So now let's want to add code to these buttons: add new, save, delete, these navigation buttons: previous, MoveLast, next, MoveNext, refresh, and back. Okay, so let's start with add new. For add new, I've already written the code. It's just Me.EmployeesBindingSource.AddNew. If you check our data, we have this table employees, so it's just the table employees.bindingsource, which means if you are doing a record for either users, it will be just users.bindingsource. It will be just me.usersBindingSource.AddNew. Okay, so now what the button in new does, when you click it, it just clears all these forms, that is if they are filled with any data, just clears them all. It's just sort of it gets the system ready to receive certain records, but after you have filled all this, you have to click save. Delete is just EmployeesBindingSource.RemoveCurrent. Usually when data has been presented here, it will be certain row here. This one which will be presented here. So when you are saying remove current, there will be many rows here. So this current selected row is the one which is being deleted. But for you to actually successfully delete, you have to, after deleting, you have to click save, because if you just delete then exit the form, the system won't just assume that it is not updating anything. It's just going to save as it was before. Okay, so but then now the button save, you just open this, go to error, save, and then it's just EmployeesTableAdapter.Update, then EmployeesTableAdapter.Update, payroll system dataset. Now this is the whole dataset dot the table which you are affecting or which you want to edit. After that, message successfully. Now just close this exit sub and you'll be good to go. Okay, so for previous, it's just EmployeesBindingSource.MovePrevious. Then for next, is for MoveNext, it's just EmployeesBindingSource.MoveNext. And also for MoveLast, EmployeesBindingSource.MoveLast, EmployeesBindingSource.MoveFirst. Okay, so and then for refresh, so what refresh on this scenario, if you just take a look at this form, what I need to refresh is this data. Okay, so this code which is just if you go to the forms code, you have this code. So this code is one I just copied and pasted it to the button refresh, so that the data can get to reload again. Okay, now big, remember we'll be navigating from our main form. So once you're done with employees, it is okay to just go back to the main form. So it's this main form.show me.hide, so you can also access other forms. So to your system. Okay, so now I'm just going to run it. Okay, so I have 3 records like this. So we are going to test MoveLast. We should go to the last record, and then here we have this one just counts the current selected record, 3 of 3, 2 of 3. This one is the total number of records that are available. So MoveLast, there we have moved last, move first, you have moved first, move next, you have moved next, move previous, you have moved previous. So it is working perfectly well. Okay, so now let's delete. I just want to delete the current row. See, it has vanished. Now let's save it successfully. So we have deleted, saved. Okay, and we have done this. Add new, this one is done for the new record. So when you click add new, you see it just gets you ready to start entering new details. So I'm just going to be entering random information so that we could actually just add a record for the sake of time. I haven't assigned any data to this. I'll be doing that soon. Will be active. Count number. Okay, now remember this is just a demo and fun adding any record. So after you've done this, you click save. Save successfully, and now your record gets to appear here, and I can just navigate. Okay, so now let's go back. The refresh button, you see, assume we are here. If you were to click the refresh button, it refreshes, then you are set to initial record. This is just the same that it has refreshed the whole data. Okay, so for big, we need to go to the main form. This is our main form. So just log out, exit. Okay, that was all for today. So kindly like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's add items to this before we go to these combo boxes. So we have this one, status. This one is marital status, so it's either married or single. So under properties, just go on items. So it's just married. Single, you write them one about like in that order. Married, single here, gender, male, female. Male, female. And the work status, this one is active or inactive. Okay. Now let's just try a sample on how it's working. Okay, so in the event that you want to add new records, it will be just easy to just come and select married or single. It reduces typing time, so combo boxes are very important. Or you can set in parameters to avoid saving without any filling of this. I'll set them soon. Okay, so for the day, I think we are good to go. So thank you for listening. Kindly like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. That will be all for the day.